Hello, today I am going to do a review of the Endo Pumb Male Enhancement Supplement. Does the Endo Pumb Male Stimulator work? Watch this video and know what are the side effects of Endo Pumb Male Enhancement Male Stimulator. At some point in life every man will face sexual performance problems, and if this is happening, you should seek help now so that the problem does not become irreversible, causing anxiety, depression, social isolation, loneliness and even low professional performance. If you are thinking, does Endo Pumb Male Enhancer work? Endo Pumb Male Enhancement is a natural supplement designed to help improve the energy and stamina levels of men of any age. Endo Pumb improves the flow of blood and oxygen in the body, particularly in the genital area. This leads to stronger and harder erections, which improves sexual performance and overall satisfaction. The supplement is made from natural ingredients that have been carefully selected and combined to promote blood circulation, increase energy, and improve stamina. According to laboratory research, Endo Pumb Male Enhancement works by stimulating the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. This allows more blood to flow to the penis, creating a firmer and longer-lasting erection. The increased blood flow also leads to greater sensitivity, making sex more pleasurable for both partners. Endo Pumb Male Enhancement also contains ingredients that increase testosterone levels in the body. Testosterone is an essential hormone for sexual health and vitality, as well as for muscle growth and strength. By increasing testosterone levels, Endo Pumb Male Enhancement improves sexual performance, increases muscle mass, and improves overall physical and mental well-being. Unlike prescription drugs, Endo Pumb has no harmful side effects and can be taken without a prescription. It is important to note that while Endo Pumb Male Enhancement can provide powerful support for your sexual health, it is not a magic solution. It is recommended that you take Endo Pumb Male Enhancement correctly. This will allow the ingredients to build up in your system over time, providing consistent support for your sexual health. Take 2 capsules daily with water. It is recommended to take Endo Pumb at least 30 minutes before sexual activity for best effects. It is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep the body hydrated and maintain healthy blood flow. It is important not to exceed the recommended dosage as this can lead to adverse reactions. The benefits of Endo Pumb Male Enhancement are numerous and can improve not only sexual health but also overall well-being. Men who take Endo Pumb regularly have reported increased libido, improvement in premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction, and consequently increased confidence and self-esteem, improved mood, and reduced stress and anxiety, providing a more satisfying sexual experience for both partners. Endo Pumb Male Enhancement can be purchased only on the official website through the manufacturer's website. To help you, I will leave the link in the description of this video and in the comments. Since there is complete confidence that this product will help you, it is guaranteed 100% money back, 90-day guarantee. In other words, if for any reason you don't fall in love with Endo Pumb, just contact me and ask for your money back. So you have nothing to lose. Buy now and improve your sexual performance. Remember that the demand for Endo Pumb Male Enhancement is increasing rapidly, and stocks may run out soon. So don't miss this chance and place your order right now and get it delivered to your address discreetly. Click the link below to take advantage of this special offer while it is still available. Imagine yourself with a renewed libido, explosive energy, and powerful, long-lasting erections. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your partner impressed with your sexual performance. With Endo Pumb Male Enhancement, you can have all this and more. Don't wait any longer to experience absolute pleasure. I hope this Endo Pumb Male Enhancement supplement review will help you decide to buy this product and improve your sexual performance, just as it has helped thousands of men to have more sexual disposition, joy, health and happiness, that you have the life you have always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.